It's crawling.
It's crawling, it's crawling.
And it's crawling over where as well. And what is it? What is crawling exactly?
Me, I am crawling.
Ah, and where are you crawling to?
Here, I am crawling over here.
Well, are you all here now?
All here.
Oh, you are so...
I am so
long.
long. I know it myself, but how long I am?
Very long.
Very. Very, that's not it.
But what is it? And what are you doing now?
I have an idea. And I'm pondering it.
What kind of idea is it?
I have an idea to measure my size.
What a nice idea! May I ponder it also?
Think.
Oh, I've got it!
How?
It's very simple. You should fold in half. Like so.
And?
Here is the head, and here is the tail. Fold yourself once again.
Well...
It's all clear.
What's clear?
Your length will be your 2 halves, or 4 halves of a half.
So, 2 halves or 4 halves of a half? No, this won't work.
Why won't it work?
Because I must not be measured in halves.
Why not?
Because I'm whole.
Then I don't know how.
Please, think again.
I can't think about one and the same thing 2 times.
What are you doing here? Excuse me.
We are measuring me.
Oh, but we don't know how.
If you don't know how, you should ask somebody.
Let's ask you.
Me? You'd better not ask me. Sorry. Let's ask the parrot.
Let's ask me. Ask me.
I want to measure my length. Could you help me?
Sure, I can measure your length in parrots.
In parrots?
In parrots?
But how?
It's very easy. As many parrots as can fit in you. That's your length.
As if I need that. I won't swallow so many parrots.
Why swallow? Firstly, there is no need to swallow anybody. Secondly, one parrot will be enough. It will be me.
So, if there is no need to swallow, measure in parrots.
One, two, left and right. 2 plus 2 is 4. It's quite simple to measure a bow at every paw. Your length is 38 parrots and 1 parrot wing. Well, you can discount the wing.
It's great! Simply great! Hooray!